Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading to for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Pasensya na nga po pala kayo kasi hindi ito yung usual setup ko. And, medyo nagkaka-problem po ako ngayon sa pagsiset up dahil wala yung mga kailangan ko like yung cellphone holder, stand, yan. And, ayun, kasi kalilipat ko lang dito sa aking place na ito na gagamitin for reading, sa mga ibang readings ko. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang guys kasi hindi pa ako prepared. But anyway, ang importante naman yung reading. As you can see, ang ginagamit kong itong kulay dilaw na ito ay pitchel po to actually. So, yung pinagpapatungan ko pitchel para lang pumatuloy yung ating reading, So, this is for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. For personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook, TikTok, etc. Siya yung pwede magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Let's start. This is for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's start your reading for the sign of air sign, please. You do have the strength card, Leo energy, 10 of wands. Wow. Kung ano man itong ending na nangyari sa'yo, definitely ito ay nagbigay ng strength. Or mas lalo kang naging matibay, matatag. And sinubok ka talaga ng husto nito, nakikita natin yan eh. Especially with friends or families, nakikita natin that there are people na pwedeng, they are here to support you. Nakikita natin sila as friends also to help you na ma-overcome mo kung ano man itong big challenge na ito sa buhay mo. And nakikita natin din yung mga tao na once na umalis sa buhay mo, na pwedeng umalis sila na masakit, na hindi naging maganda yung pag-alis nila. But nakikita natin yung iba sa inyo may pagbabalik or bumalik itong mga taong ito sa buhay mo with a page of pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, pagbabalik ng love. Yan, some of you, itong umalis na ito could be a past person, na may love na involved, etc. Pero nakikita natin yung pagbabalik ng love dito, and the 8 of wands. I feel like for some of you, this is a lot of horses right here. And yung 8 horse, actually, it's a lucky sign for you. So, yung pagdating ng taong ito or mga taong ito could be very lucky for you. Nakikita natin sila as swerte. So, definitely, kung ano man ito nag-end sa'yo, hindi pa rin siya talaga malas or hindi maganda. Dahil maaaring ito ay nagdudulot ng swerte pa rin naman sa'yo. Dahil ito nga, itong mga taong bumalik sa buhay mo, maaaring may dala-dala silang magandang, maybe magandang balita or magandang future kasama sila. Okay? So, wait lang guys. Medyo naalog ko yung pitchel. Sorry about that. And kung maingay sa background ko guys, pagpasensyahan mo na medyo po kasi itong aking lugar terminal po ng tricycle yung nandito sa gilid. So maingay po talaga. Commercial area po kasi tell me more messages for air sign please, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Air sign please, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Angel guides, spirit guides for the sign of air sign please, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. For the sign of air sign please. For the sign of air sign. You do have here the 9 of swords. So I feel like this is a problem. This is a stressful moment for you. And nakikita natin with the moon, yeah, kailangan gamitin mo kasi yung instinct mo. Some of you, yung problem is nangyari or naging dahilan na kaya nagkakaroon ng problema ay hindi ginamit yung instinct, yung lakas ng pakiramdam. And I feel like for some of you, you do have here the 9 of cups. You do have choices. May nakikita tayo dito ng mga health condition. Yung iba medyo parang nagkaroon ng problema, may changes sa katawan, yung iba pumayat, yung iba tumaba, yung iba tumanda. So this is very stressful energy. But anyway, nakikita natin na hindi ko maintindihan guys, sa totoo lang. Kasi itong problema na ito is it's a positive change will happen for you. Kumbaga, hindi mangyayari yung positive change na ito for you kung hindi mangyayari itong problema na to. Like itong problema na to is, or itong stressful energy na ito ay kailangan lang talagang mangyari. So, ito bibigyan kita ng example. For example, usaping love, hindi para sa lahat, pero example, usaping love. Nalaman mo na yung person mo is may kabet, third party. Of course, para sa'yo, malungkot yun, masakit. Masakit and mahirap. Pero, it's a positive change in a way na dahil kailangan mo lang talagang malaman. Dahil kung hindi mo malalaman yon, yung kumbaga continuous pa rin na masaya ka lang, etc. Hindi ka dadaan doon sa hirap at sakit na yon. Paano ka makakaalis sa sitwasyon? 'Di ba? Na talaga magpapahirap pala talaga. Mas magiging mahirap pala talaga kung hindi mo malalaman kung ano man ito. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng there's a return of someone, like someone in the past. So definitely, dapat lang talaga mangyari yung changes, yung malaman mo magkaroon ng problema na ganito para magkaroon ng ending or magkaroon ng pagbabalik mula sa nakaraan. Okay? For some of you love, some of you career, ganon. But whatever your situation is, nakikita natin na positive change ang dulot ng malaking problemang ito. Okay? Tell me more. Tell me more. You do have here the Empress. This is so beautiful, no? Itong card na ito, sa totoo lang. Queen of Wands is here. I feel like this is in the future. Tell me more. One more card, please. What's with the Empress? Sinasabi ko na nga ba, no? In the future, there's someone who is coming back sa buhay mo. Ito yung iba pwede nangyayari na ngayon yung pagka-comeback nitong taong to. I feel like you would look very beautiful dito in the near future para sa person na ito. Like whatever your look is, kung para sa'yo ay naku pumangit na ako, etc. Para sa kanya hindi. You still look beautiful kasi nakikita kanya inside and out. Nakikita kanya as a person na kamangha-manga, na may mga nakikita siya sa'yo na hindi niya nakikita sa iba, or may mga nakikita siya sa'yo na alam niyang hindi niya makikita kahit kanino man, you know? And, or may nakikita siya sa'yo na hindi nakikita ng iba sa'yo. Gets mo yun? Yung parang, there's something in you na, wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, pinost ko lang saglit yung video kasi may dumating lang Anyway, balik tayo dito sa reading. Alam mo, oh my gosh, guys. This is the only time na makikita ko tong The Empress card na ito na parang nahihiya ako. And I feel like there's someone in the past, lalo na with the Three of Cups energy, na babalik sa buhay mo pero mahihiya siya. Mahihiya siya sa'yo. And, yeah, lalo na with the Magician, mahihiya siya. It's like hindi niya kayang, you would know that this is the person that I'm talking about kasi makikipag-meet ito in person sa'yo or through video call or whatever, pero hindi niya kayang tumingin. And that is the sign na hinihiya siya sa'yo dahil nahihiya siya tumingin sa'yo. Like, if you are dealing with a person may video call na nagaganap, may ginagawa siyang iba. Okay, I don't know if some of you hindi ka makaka-relate, but some of you na makaka-relate dito, this is really like the sign na itong taong to, yung tinutukoy ko kasi mahihiya siya. There's an energy of this person na nahihiya, hindi kaya makatingin. And it's like when you admire, when you when you admire someone, halimbawa ikaw, may crush ka. Balik tayo doon sa mga teenage years. May crush ka. Tinignan mo yung crush mo. Tinignan ka rin ng crush mo. Di ba mahihiya ka? Hindi ka And that's the energy. There's a person who really do admires you a lot. Gustong-gusto ka ng taong ito na hindi ka niya kayang tignan kasi nahihiya siya. Ganun ang energy. So, there's an admirer in the near future na babalik sa buhay mo. The energy is pagbabalik or there's dating. For some of you, could be a new person pero may dating energy and definitely gusto ka nitong taong ito. Okay? And tell me about this, please, for air sign. For air sign, please tell me about this. For air sign. Okay, you do have here the Emperor, guys. If you are the Empress, your Emperor is coming. Ito ay soulmate or twin flame energy para sa iba, but definitely may new beginning sa inyong dalawa with the Ace of Wands. You will be working on something. And I feel like pwede mo sabihin na itong person na ito, if you look so cute and ganda, babae man o lalaki, itong person na ito, magmumukha siya parang mataray, mataas ang ego, walang pakialam, etc. Pero definitely, there's behind that poker face, behind that parang walang pakialam. Kasi nga, di ba, pag magka-video call kayo, kung ano pinagkagawa niya, or pag magkaharap kayo, kung ano pinagkagawa niya, behind that busy person na walang pakialam, kuno-kuno, there's this person who really do likes you. Gusto ka niya. And nakakita tayo ng new beginning sa inyong dalawa. There's this pagtutulungan, maybe may kinalaman sa finances, etc. But the judgment is here. This is divine timing, guys. If naghihintay ka ng divine timing, especially if you're dealing with your soulmate or twin flame, ito na yung divine timing. Divine timing is happening now. And you do have here the Wheel of Fortune. Magbibigay ito ng malaking pagbabago sa connection ninyo. Okay? At sa'yo na rin. Magbibigay ng malaking pagbabago ang pagdating nitong taong to. One last card for you, air sign. You do have here the King of Wands, okay, and the Three of Swords. For some of you, medyo hindi maganda yung pagbabago at first. Okay, pwedeng there's a presence of third party na pwedeng hindi against or magalit or pagsiselos mula dito sa person na ito. Yung iba sasabihin, bakit lagi may third party? I don't know, guys. Literally, I don't know. Ito ay hindi para sa lahat kasi. Kung ikaw ay hindi nakaka-relate dahil doon sa may third party, etc., maybe this is not your reading, wag mong pilitin. Okay, para doon sa mga iba, there's a third party situation. Okay? Either yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nag-end na rin naman si third party, pero, ewan ko, bakit may pakialam pa rin itong third party na ito sa'yo. Kung hindi pa naman nag-e-end, I feel like this would cause this third party, this third person, na magselos. Kasi the King of Cups, this person, sobrang siyang, I feel like the third party still loves you. Kaya, pwedeng may pagsiselos, may kaguluhan, because yung third party, mahal ka pa rin. Okay, so babalik itong person ito, or may new person dito, but the third party, hindi siya natutuwa dito sa pagbabalik ng person na ito. Okay? So, yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.